Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Amsterdam where the local time is just approaching 4:20. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the captain has switched off the fasten seatbelt sign. All devices for calls, messaging or internet access must remain switched off until the aircraft doors have been opened. Please ensure you take all your personal belongings with you by checking in the seat pocket underneath the seat and the surrounding floor area. Do take care when opening the lockers in case anything falls out. Just a reminder, smoking is not permitted until you've reached the designated smoking area. If you need to rent a car during your trip, Easyjet would like to recommend a car rental partner Europe car. Just visit the desk inside the terminal with some proof that you have flown with us today to receive a discount on the standard airport rates. On behalf of our captain, Stephen Black, and the rest of the crew, it's been our pleasure looking after you today. We do hope you have enjoyed your flight with Easyjet, and we do look forward to welcoming you back sometime soon. Have a very safe and pleasant onward journey to your final destination. Thank you and good afternoon.
Thank you, good night. Copyright. red. Upward. Yeah.